Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to send your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5 to clean a specific room. So if you want your robot to clean a specific room in your house or even an area, the first thing that we're going to do is open up our XIAOMI Home app and then make sure that we've already connected our robot to our phone. And after that, tap on the XIAOMI Home button on the bottom left, and then tap on our Robot Vacuum. So after that, we're gonna go and scroll up like this, tap on Area, and here we're going to tap on the Room. And here you can select the room that you want to clean, or even multiple rooms. And once you've selected the room, just press Done. And tap on Start Cleanup to start cleaning. So your robot will only clean this room, and once it's done, it'll just return to the station and won't clean the rest of the house as you've specified. So that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.